to all my developers, builders, general contractors, this is the perfect stage that you want to contact us and schedule your consultation. When you're in your build out stage, windows just went in, walls are still open, it's the best time to plan ahead for our iTints smart film system. We're about to have a project assessment with the project manager to assess all the areas where they want the iTints smart film, how it's going to be wired, how it's going to be controlled. So if you're in this stage of building out your dream home, or you're building out the dream home for your client, contact today, links in the bottom, schedule your project assessment.
The idea is for it to look like one of the storefronts.
Gotcha. So now what area is this, to be exact?
This is the office.
The office.
And then we have the master bathroom section over there. This is gonna be his office space.
Okay.
And this area is also gonna double as a future bedroom.
Gotcha. This is just holding up the glass for now, or this is gonna be sealed, or what are they doing
Well,
here?
they need sealing here.
What are you having here?
Yeah.
Blinds or shades?
Yeah, shades here.
Shades, gotcha. Yeah, you're doing the blind pocket.
And here's the other set of windows.
Oh, so aquí for sure, because it divides.
Dividing the bedroom and the
It
shower.
divides. That's pretty cool. I mean, that concept is getting a lot more common.
So 2 more bathrooms.
Okay.
Maybe a good idea to have
Well, bathrooms is where I know shades are super limited, but this is a shower, right?
Well, the shower's on that side.
You're what, like about 8 months out? No, ay, ay, ay. I like your optimism, Gil. I like it, bro. You're young. I like that. I mean, fuck, if you're running a tight crew, then for sure. Yeah, that's nice. Yeah.
Yeah, oh, sorry. Here's the bathroom.
No, for sure, yeah. Okay. And this is, what bathroom is this?
This is a roof bath.
Roof bath, gotcha.
Gotcha.
This is one of our wires, or this is for something else?
That's what we'll do. Oh, no, it's for a switch.
Gotcha. So speaking of switch, right now is also the perfect timing to give the client the option that if they want to control the smart film, instead of putting a 2-gang box, you put a 3-gang box, and then you have a separate switch for the smart film.
Well, no, all my switches are keypads here.
Okay.
So they
So
would
wherever-
be home runs to the Lutron
There you
panel,
go.
and then from there.
Wherever our home run's gonna be, right? Ideally to have some receptacles dedicated for our transformers,
Yeah.
for power, and then that receptacle could be controlled by your system.
Oh, exactly. That's how I set
Boom.
it up downstairs. But now, depending on what he decides on the rest, I'll set it up
Perfect.
accordingly.
Gotcha.
Yeah, I can show you how I set it up down there.
Oh, it's a glass
Yeah,
floor?
glass down and glass
Oh, that's
forward.
badass, bro. No, you're 8 months out, bro. Minimum, bro. Deja la muela. Don't try to. Once again, office bath, office hallway, roof bathroom, master bathroom, and bath 4, right? Gotcha. All right, guys. So as you can see, we're behind the scenes at a project assessment, at a build out of a mega mansion. Shout out to Sabal Development. We work with many builders, construction companies, and development groups where they build out these dream homes for their clients. And right now we just met with the project manager, which we did a full walkthrough of all the areas that are being requested for our iTints smart film system, in which right behind us is a bathroom in the office where we already identified first and foremost the window system. This is a fixed window system, storefront to be exact. And this is part of a project assessment. First, identifying all the areas where our iTints smart film system will be the solution for what they're looking for. Then we have a walkthrough of the area in which we identify that window system. This is a storefront fixed window system from ESW, bronze hardware, which we color match to have our brake metals, which is our U channels, are the buzz bar covers. So now that we identified the window system, control options. How will you control your iTints smart film? In this case, we asked the project manager what kind of smart home system is being integrated here, and they're going with Lutron with smart switches, in which they're gonna have a keypad, which is what is gonna control the lighting system and pretty much everything else. What does that mean? Right on this side is where the AV panel is gonna be for LED systems and many other smart home systems. Receptacles are going to be what is needed for our iTints smart film system. to power our transformers, in which those receptacles are going to be controlled by the smart home system. So when they hit the button on the keypad, you can control your iTints smart film on and off. So now that we are taking you behind the scenes for you to learn how to properly do a project assessment, this is where you need to watch and learn and follow us through this journey. Control options. Mention that there's going to be a keypad, a smart keypad, which our receptacles is going to be controlled by the smart home system, so that way it turns on and off our transformers. This is the area designated for our transformers. One receptacle for each of the areas that iTints smart film will be incorporated in. So for each area, like bathroom, master bathroom, bath 4, rooftop bathroom, we're going to have a receptacle dedicated for our transformer. This is the other area. This is the entire office hallway where you have glass partitions. We will have some custom brake metals in which we need to have a wire designated for each glass panel. 18 gauge 2-wire conductor. This is going to be a custom installation because they will have a brake metal that pretty much covers the width of this contraption that's holding the glasses in place. So we need to get the measurements after the brake metals are installed, or we can install our smart film before, but it has to be in coordination after they finish the caulking or the silicone. Smart film there too. Smart film there too. Shit. 55. By 117. 55 by 117. Storefront window. Beautiful. This is bath number 4. We have a storefront window right over here. Wall switch, wire drop done before tile. Same thing with all the bathrooms. We have to get in here for the pre-wiring before they tile up the corners, and also or after the window inspection. It's time to take you to the rooftop. Take a look at these amazing Miami views. Come with us. Welcome to paradise. This is Miami at its finest. Look at this, guys. I like to say, we live where most people vacation. Miami is known worldwide for its famous, beautiful beaches, its culture, its vibes. And we get to experience this every single day, overseeing these beautiful views, rooftop vibes. And speaking of rooftop, look at this design they incorporated in this home. They actually have a rooftop pool with an actual glass floor where you can literally see right through, and from the bottom you can see right up. So make sure that you don't do anything kinky in there, because everybody downstairs is gonna see what you're doing. But anyways, to each its own, guys. I hope you enjoy this. This is behind the scenes. So all my future cadets and resellers here local to South Florida, make sure to hit the link below, apply to become an authorized reseller, apply to become an authorized technician, and even a dealer with iTints Technologies. Learn from me and my team. We take you behind the scenes, real live projects, from project assessments to installation. Our 13-step proven system is designed to teach you to go from zero to hero with iTints Technologies.
Aliens, we're here. This is how it lets us know that we're in the future.
Oh, that's pretty badass. My authorized resellers. The details that go into your project assessment is what's gonna help me understand the project and be able to build out a proposal based off of size of measurement of the windows, window system, control options. All that is what a proper project assessment is all about. So when measuring a window, remember, we do not go with the actual opening of the window itself, or we don't go from frame to frame of the outside. We go from glass opening. What is glass opening, pretty much from the inside of the glass to the inside of the glass. You do not account the frame system or the opening of the actual window itself. So in this case, the measurement of this glass, once again, it's gonna be 32 3/4. That's literally from glass to glass where the glass meets the frame itself. That 33 3/4, now you will remove 1/8 of an inch from each side. So that's 1/4 in total. Those are the measurements that we need for the fabrication of our iTints smart film. And then that 1/8 of an inch gap gets sealed off with a neutral cure silicone that now will protect the smart film from any water, humidity, and then also gives it a nice, beautiful aesthetics. That is what you are required to give us for an actual proposal itself. And then control options. Are we gonna control it with a manual wall switch? Is it gonna be integrated with a smart home system? Pre-wiring is essential. Glass companies, window companies, once you have the windows installed, already tell your builder, your GC, your project manager about iTints smart film. That way they can have a wire drop designated to the actual Windows system. Aesthetics is everything when it comes to iTints smart film. So for all my authorized resellers, whether you're already stepped into the future or my future authorized resellers looking to incorporate a new service to increase income, give your clients better solutions, hit the link below and step into the future with iTints technologies. So at least give them the option. It's always good for them to see that they can have different tint levels for the smart film, and then you could just plug and play just like I showed you right now. This is how we get power straight to a receptacle, and then it has output, which is the one that goes to the smart film itself. 18 gauge. So just like a Lutron shade, we're good with that.
Got it. Let me see the output. Yeah, the output.
All right, guys, that's it. This is how we do. This is how we work with our authorized resellers. This is Sabal Development. They work on these beautiful mega mansions all over Miami Beach, Coral Gables, Pinecrest, where they build out clients' dream home. And building out your dream home and you have windows of this size, you definitely need our iTints smart film system. Contact us in the early stages so we can do a project assessment, do a full walkthrough. We give you our recommendations on what type of smart film in each area, and even our solar control window film, which is needed when you have a lot of direct sunlight. And with this Miami heat, you definitely need some sun control. So click the link below, apply to become an authorized reseller with iTints Technologies.